Good morning, everybody. It's Tatiana and your Moscow weather report. Today is the 11th of May. The weather is a bit different from the last days. It's not sunny today and even a little bit rainy, but no wind. That's why it's very calm and comfortable. It's 6 degrees Celsius, feels like 1 degree, just one. And in Fahrenheit, it's 43 degrees, I think. Not sure. It's very hard for me to translate the Celsius to Fahrenheit because it's not usual here. We use only Celsius, and there is no straight formula you can count. Or maybe there is, maybe I just don't know, maybe you help me. How can I easily count what Celsius goes, how Celsius goes to Fahrenheit? The clouds and the sky is gray, but anyway, the nature is always wonderful. The weather is always wonderful. Just feel it like a big gift. I'm happy to see you again, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye. A little update for 11th of May. I told you it's a gray sky and it's rainy. Half an hour gone. It's sunny, blue sky. It's cold, but when you stay in the sun, it's nice. See you. Bye.